Greetings to my new and returning viewers. Are you a content creator for a brand or a social media manager? One of the secret weapons to success is content calendar. This tool helps to structure your schedule. It helps you to know when to post, who to post for, what to post, and where to post. It just helps to make you stay organized and consistent. And I'm going to be taking you through a tutorial on how to develop a content calendar using Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Of course, you can use Google Sheets, Google Docs, or Microsoft Word, but I'm going to be using this tool because this is what I can lay my hand on and it's simple. You just have to follow along. They have similar features, okay? So no worries. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Let's go.
Okay, so here is my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. We're just going to pick something random. So let's say I'm a social media manager or a content creator for this brand, Miracle Herald, and I want to create a content calendar for it. So as you can see at the top, I have a brand name, Miracle Herald. Then underneath, I have the content calendar for the month, September 2024. Now, these are the basic things that should be included in your calendar. Social media platforms, date, time, content type. But if you want to go further, say you want to go the extra mile, you can add resources here. So let me just, not there. Okay, you can add resources and objective. So what this means is for your resources, where are you getting your content from? From which site or app are you getting your content from? So that is the resources. Then for the objective, what do you want to achieve with that content? What is your target? But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to leave it at the basics, which is this one that you've seen right here. So the first question, what social media platforms do I manage for Miracle Herald? So let's say I manage the Facebook page. So here I have my Facebook. Now, on what day do I visit or do I want to visit their Facebook page? So let's say I want to do that every Monday. So we have a Monday, 2nd September. 2024. Okay, so we're going to wrap this. Yes. So let's say I want to do that for all the Mondays in September. So we're just going to repeat this. Monday, 9th September 2024. Monday, 16th September 2024. Monday, 23rd September 2024 and 30. And then I'm going to wrap this too. Yes. Now, what time do I visit Facebook on Monday, or do I want to visit Facebook on Monday? So let's say I want to come online every 9 a.m. on Monday to post on Facebook. So that is our time. So since it's the same time, I'm just going to copy these all through. Yes. So now we have the content type. So this is where you indicate what kind of content you want to post on each of these things. So let's say for the first day, for the first Monday, I want to post an original image. Then the next Monday, I'll post a video. The next one, I'll make a post on hair tips. And then the next one will be promotion. And let's say I'll make a post on sales. Yeah. So that is it. That's for Facebook. Now, the next thing is, what other social media platform do I manage for Miracle Herald? So let's say I manage their Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to go here and just type in Instagram. So let's say I want to visit their Instagram page every Tuesday. So we have Tuesday, 3rd September 2024. Tuesday, 10th September 2024. Tuesday. You're just going to repeat this till you get to the last. Okay, September has Thursdays. Okay, yes. So that's it. So what time do I want to visit their Instagram page? So let's say I want to visit the Instagram page every 2 p.m. I'm just going to repeat this. Yep. And then what do I want to post? So let's say I want to post original image for the first Tuesday. The second Tuesday, I'm going to post a video. The next Tuesday, I'm going to post on hair tips as well. And then I'm going to do a promotion. Now, let's also say that I manage their TikTok accounts. So that will go under our social media platform TikTok account. So let's say I want to visit every Wednesday. So we have Wednesday, 4th September 2024. Sorry, that was a mistake. So I'm just going to repeat this. Oh, I think I made an error. Yeah. So we're going to repeat this. Wednesday, 11th September. Do this. Sorry. Do this till you get to the last Wednesday of the month. Sleep. Yes. So on what day do I want to visit? So let's say I want to visit the time. So you can decide to, make the timing different. So let's say the first Wednesday, I'm going to visit 3:45 p.m. The second Wednesday, 9:50 a.m. The third Wednesday, 2 p.m. And the other one, 9:50 a.m. No, maybe I have something I'll be doing. I can't make the time to be the same all through. So it's okay to change the time. And now we're going to go to our content type. So TikTok has basically videos. So I'm going to say I'm going to post videos all through. It's going to be videos. Yes. Now, so this is what we have. I'm just going to leave it at this. Of course, if you know that you are managing more platforms for your brand, for your clients, you can always add them up here. You can indicate them at the bottom. But let's just leave it at 3: Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So now that you're here, you have to, do some basic editing, make it appealing to people. So we're going to change the font style. And I love using one of my favorite, Times New Roman. I'm going to increase it a little. That's too much. Yeah, I think this is okay. Now, one thing that you can do is you can assign color codes. Yeah, you can just assign colors to make it look appealing. So let's say for Facebook, let's assign a color. Let's say orange accent 2. Okay, so same thing for the content type. You have to assign a color, but the thing is, it's recommended that you assign the same color for the same content type. This is what I mean. We have original image here. So let's say I'm assigning color, I'm assigning this color to it. Now, there's another original image. I'm going to assign the same color to it. Okay, so that's just to, make it look appealing, structured, and organized. Then for video, let's pick a color. Let's say this green. Hair tips. Let's choose this blue. Promotion. Just hope I remember these colors because they're kind of tricky. Okay, promotion. Let's go with this. Post on sales. Post on sales. Post on sales. Let's go with this. Yeah. So next, we're going to assign color to our Instagram. So let me pick this. So video, remember we used this color for video, so we're going to do the same. Yeah, I got it. Post on hair tips, we use this color, so let's use the same color. I got it. Then promotion, we're going to assign the same color to it. Yeah, and that's also do for the rest. For TikTok, let's choose, yeah. And then for videos, remember it's green, so we'll choose, oh, sorry. Yeah, light green. So that's what we'll use for every other thing. Okay. So that is it for our content calendar. So you can do this for the remaining months of the year. If you want to use it for the other months of the year, you can do this for another year you get. So this is just the basic. And with this, you will have your schedule on point, intact, and ready to be productive.
Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. Watch out for more tutorials and more videos on how to navigate through the world of freelance. Stay curious till we meet again. Bye.